In the previous video, we have written a program to print hello world. And if you go through this program, you go through a line, print hello world, which is written here, and you will observe that while running a program, this line does not execute it. So what exactly this line is? This line we refer in the term of programming as comments. And you know that comments are the line which are written inside a code by a programmer so that this line get ignored by compiler and programmer is able to understand the program step by step. In Java, there are three types of comment. The comment what we have written here followed by forward two forward double slash are known as single line comments, and these comments are used in order to write small comments. Then another comment what we are using is multi-line comments, which is followed by forward slash star and end by forward slash and stars. And we can write many commands, many lines here like this. These lines are treated as a comment for multiple line to be get printed inside the code and not to be executed. And similarly, like single line comment, multi-line comment, there are a document comment also, which is followed by forward slash and double star, then comments, and then forward slash and star. These are the comments which are usually used by Java programmers so that they can explain or describe what a program is going to do. So the first comment is our single line comment, a short comment is a short comment used by programmer. And we have a multi-line comment, to use multiple lines. And third is document comment to explain program. Now we'll run this again to test how the comments are working. So when I right click here and run as Java application, you can see my hello world is get printed and all the lines which are written inside comment do not get printed. Thank you.